Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this SEAT Mii, however you pronounce that, I don't know, Mii, whatever. But it's a 2019. All we do, we go to, oh gosh, I don't want to be there. We go to Bluetooth, and then we're watching out Bluetooth at the bottom. It's already come up, I haven't done anything. SEAT Bluetooth 8200. But what I'll do, I'll show you how you should do it. Click phone. There you go. Please search for SEAT BT8200 on your mobile phone. Well, it is there already. So it's already kind of transmitting or looking for a phone. Here we go. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro would like to connect. Connect. Oh, hang on. Connect. Does this password match? So pair and yes. You're pressing the buttons there or the buttons there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. That's it. It's let's see, let's find it. Find where it's gone. Towards the top, right at the top there. SEAT BT8200 connected.